Hey everyone, a quick video here of some of the new drops that we just got in. This is coming up to end of October here. So yeah, this is one of the Ficus Ruby. We got some of the Ficus, just the black variety. Some of the shorter bird of paradise. These are like a shorter leaf. This is supposed to be an orange flower. This time we finally got some of the Sago Palms in 6-inch pots. These are pretty hard sometimes to get in a 6-inch pot, but these still got a nice base on the bottom, quite full. So we got some new leaves coming up. Pretty cool. And then we got some of the Lily Domino. This is a variegated Lily, full bloom. These guys have a lot of flowers on them right now. You get a nice size for a 6-inch pot. Got some of the money trees in 5-inch, I think it is. Yeah, about a 5-inch pot. These guys have a nice size trunk on them too. Nice braid. And most of these plants too, like they all pretty much need like a bright indirect light. Sago Palms maybe a little bit more light. Sagos like to be dry about 50% through as well. And most of the other drops, we like to just let them go dry about the top quarter of their pot. And again, here's some purple passion. Again, another one that doesn't come around too often. We got these in 4-inch size pots, and we got them in 2.5-inch pots. Some 2.5-inch ferns. More drops. These are all like variegated Octopus Folia. A lot of peperomias in here. Peperomia, amigo. Some lipstick plants. These are pretty cool, even when they're not in flower. So you got nice foliage. ZZ plants there, or zigzag plants. Some polka dot begonias. Again, these guys got some new leaves coming out on them. Even without the flowers, they still have a nice look to them. And then on the other end, got some black gold, I think it's a black gold snake plant. And some 4-inch black ravens. Normally these guys don't come out in a 4-inch pot, but they're nice and full too. I feel like on the pot they need to be repotted, but yeah, nice foliage. They got some new growth coming out as well. And these are the Swiss cheese variegated mint. And one of the Ficus Tineke. These guys got some nice new growth coming on them too right now. Sitting underneath this giant skylight that we have, which is quite helpful coming into the winter. But yeah, and then we'll kind of go down to just these couple of bonsais that we still have over here. Again, nice trunks on those too. But yeah, we normally get a weekly pickup of tropicals. This is a Hoya Wayetii variegated. Nice color on those ones too. Alright, I hope you liked the video. See you soon.